A rocketship is a rocket-powered vehicle used to transport robotic spacecraft or humans between the Earth's surface and outer space. How do rockets fly in space? Earth's gravity is still pulling down on the rocket. When a rocket burns propellants and pushes out exhaust, that creates an upward force called thrust. To launch, the rocket needs enough propellant so that the thrust pushing the rocket up is greater than the force of gravity pulling the rocket down. What does a rocketship symbolize? Rockets are phallic. They can signify exploration, a journey, man's thrust beyond the Earth, science, and a technology. When serving as a mode of travel, they can take on many of the properties of ships. What was the first rocketship? The first rocket which could fly high enough to get into space was the V-2 missile, which was first launched by Germany in 1942. The first rocket which actually launched something into space was used to launch Sputnik, the first satellite, on October 4, 1957. The rocket that launched Sputnik was the R-7 rocket. When the astronauts want to return to Earth, they turn on the engines to push their spacecraft out of orbit. Gravity then pulls the spacecraft back towards the Earth. The spacecraft may be slowed to a safe landing speed by parachutes. The American space capsules, Mercury, Gemini and Apollo, slowed their final stage of descent with parachutes and splashed down into the ocean. The astronauts were fished out of the water by helicopters.